don't get excited. We're not showing Sailor Beware. We're just showing a few scenes, so when it plays here, the folks will come back to see it.
Oh, that's a jolly idea. What will we show them first?
Well, Jerry, let's show them the scene where you meet the skipper of our submarine.
I'm very glad we're going to be informal. My name is Melvin Jones, but you can call me Melvin.
Go on, get gone.
That's not so bad, Dean. What about the time you get me in a fight and I ain't even mad at nobody?
Jerry, you know you're a real killer, especially with the girls. Now, what's this terrific attraction you have for them? Look at you. Corinne Calvé is just nuts about you. Marion Marshall is crazy about you, too. What's there about you that gets them all?
Maybe it's my voice.
Gather round.
No, Jerry, it's not your voice. I think it's that dance at the Hawaiian luau that did the trick.
Take a look at this. What do you think? Looks like a sea monster to me, Captain.
Hey down there. Hello, fellows. Hey, sir.